Hello client, hope you are doing well. So I have set up your sourcing workflow dashboard in Notion. So I am recording this video for guidance purpose. After watch this video, then you will be easily to understand how this Notion template is working. So first of all, I have set up this source workflow form. So this is form link. When you right click here, so you can copy the form link, copy this link and share with your client and someone. So when any one person open this form, so it will be look like here. Just give a few seconds. Like when any person open this form, so this form will be show and every person easy fill up their information. Just wait few seconds. Like here, customer name, contact person, project name, and so more. When he will be fill up form and submit this form, submit, so their lead automatically is saved here in this section, customer intake. So this is like database, and new lead come here, and you can check out this lead by status calendar view. This is source form. So all intake, so I have that automate this form. So like this is new lead. When you select this lead, new to in progress, complete, on hold, cancelled, so this data will be moved in here customer intake page. Like this is customer intake database pages, and in this page like lead, that project in progress project will be show here, then complete project show here, on hold project show here, and cancel project show here with all information. Like if I go here in intake database, so here you can check out like form, contact name, contact person, project name, product type, application status, deadline, articles, and so more. Everything is available here, and I have put this demo entry easy to understand purpose. So this is the first database, and the second database like RFAQs. So here approved status will be here, and when you check other status like draft, sent, close something, so when you will check this page RFAQ. In this page I have put like draft data will be here, sent data will be saved here, approved and closed will be here, and you can check out all FAQs by status, high priority, by calendar view, etc. So this is RFAQs. Then next database is quotations. So approved quotations will be shown here. First we understand like RFAQs. So in RFAQs, like RFAQs number, date, status, purpose, specification, pricing, tags, details, and so more. Here's the relation of customer intake and priority. This is with by status, calendar view, by high priority, and so more. Then third is quotations. In quotation you can check out, by the way, approved quotation will be shown here, and other quotation, draft, declined, sent will be other. Let's talk here. Name, quotation name, date, customer name, status, currency, cost, then approach, pricing, package, payment terms, link to intake, link to RFQs, and attachment. If you want to their other status, then you need to go quotations page. Like here in this page, when you open this page, then you will be say here sent quotation will be save here, draft show here, declined will be show here, with all like all quotations by status, calendar view, active quotations, current analysis, and etc. Everything you can see in each database. So this is quotations. Next is order database. In order database, confirm order will be shown here, and all order by order name, date, customer name, CR status, payment status, link to intake, link to quotations, income, and so more. You can check out by production board, calendar view, shipping overview, payment tracker. So if you want to check out their other status like draft, in progress, and completed, you go here in this order page. In this order page you will be check out their in progress order. Then after in progress, then next is this I this is confirmed. This is confirm order here, then completed here, draft here. So this is order database section. Then next database is after order, then production process. In production process, like production ID, link to intake, customer name, start date, end date, phrase in phase status, production status, CRT, and so more, by on schedule, priority, and so more. Then production board, by timeline, quality control, schedule overview here. And here will be show just which one in progress. In progress, data will be here. If you want to check out their other status like not started, delayed, on hold, completed, so check out this production process page. In production process page, you will check out not started project will be here, delayed here, on hold here, completed here. So this is database. Then we check out the quick action here. When you new custom intake here, so just click here. When you click here, so you will be like put the customer name, then put the contact information, project name, product type, and application, and click here, and you can more than add some according to need. Then generate RFAQs. When you click here, so automatically this generation this like database will be show here. Here you can changes according to your need, price, and days, and so more with second etc. Then new quotations. When you click here, so new quotation will be page, create the page, and you will be add here according to need, and similarly create order, start production, and so more. This is overview of source workflow dashboard. Like here's the quick action, here's the form link, then here's the pages, page of customer intake, RFQ, quotations, order, and production process. Then is the customer intake, like active order, new order will be show here. Here approved will be show here, and approved quotation will be here. A confirmed order will be show here. And this is production process, like which in progress will be show here. So check out your whole Notion template and let me know if you need any change and so more. I am here to further help you. Thank you.